I bought an apartment as an investment last week on this community that I'm about to show you now. But before we go ahead, let me show you quickly the area and stay until the end. I would like to share with you some insight about the real estate opportunities if you are thinking to invest or buy something here. And also I'd like to mention why and how this opportunity came to me. So let's go ahead. We are actually moving a lot of things inside of the apartment. And we are starting different kind of videos to engage with you and show you what we actually are doing in daily life here as an agent and with the family, of course, enjoying the lifestyle. As you already can realize, the community have, I think it's 11 blocks, many blocks, which means that you have plenty of apartments at the community, and consequently the community fees are lower than average, which is a very good thing. As you can see, we are starting to clean it up and organize the mess. It was a big mess when we bought it. And actually this opportunity came from a friend of mine, and I would like to talk a little bit about this because we are creating content lately and talking about networking, the importance of creating good relationships, friends. And this apartment came from a friend of mine, and I can probably get around 20% return easily, maybe 30% in 1 year. And that's why it's really important, in my opinion, you start generating connections before you move to Marbella. There are other opportunities like this available at the market. Come this way, let me show a little bit about the area. And before I forget, leave your comments if you're planning to move to Marbella, buy something here, feel free to reach out. From here we can see Gibraltar, you have beautiful views from the sea. This apartment is a 3-bedroom, about 100 square meters. I was lucky to have it with a garage cover and private documentation. So we have a swimming pool. The community is quite cheap, which is a good thing for investment. And talking more about the area, you can go walking from here to the beach probably in around 15 minutes walking, and by car would be probably 10 minutes. And which is important for you to understand, we are in the New Golden Mile in an area called Atalaya, and this is an area that is very up and coming at the moment. We have property like this, you can find around 300,000 or more available. Before I continue to share some insights about real estate and the opportunities to invest, let me quickly explain you a little bit about this apartment. We are just starting to clean it up, to take all the old furniture, we're gonna paint it. We are planning to make an investment around 30,000, and then we expect to have a return from 20 to 30% in 1 year. And this is something I see many investors are looking for at the moment. And about this apartment, we have very good things. We have light coming, it's facing south. We have a quite big area as a terrace that is covered and closed on this place, and we are going to extend the master suite. We're going to create a master suite. Actually, it doesn't have an ensuite. We're going to create it, and we are going to make a lot of improvement with not so much investment. And that's what it's about, making a good investment, you know, make the most from what you have. My idea actually for this apartment is just to rent it out. I'm going to rent it out in long term, not long term, I mean from 6 to 10 months now. And then after I do this renting, I will probably completely renovate it and make the most of the investment. And again, talking about investment, let me share with you some insights, because I have some investors that talk to me and they are looking for opportunities. Come closer, camera. Opportunities at the market so they can invest properly and make, let's say, at least 10% per year. And apartments like this normally come from networking, from connections. You don't find them very easily at the market. And there's another opportunity at the moment very close to this area, in an area called El Campanario. There's a golf course, and they are starting now a pre-launch. We have some apartments available that are starting from 500,000. They will probably go up on price. And opportunities like this apartment, for instance, that you can easily increase the price in 5 to 10%, just making a small cleanup, a small makeup, which I'm doing at the moment. And there's another thing that I really see in the market in real estate in Marbella now, is that there are some lands that are not urban yet, they are rural. They are at the border of the urban area, and this is an opportunity that I see long term. You can generate very good profits, and apart from that, you can use money from banks here. Maybe if you are an international investor or thinking to invest, you can start a company and then start relying on investment from the bank. So you're going to pay from 5 to 7% per year, taking the money from the bank and making maybe 15% in average on the investment. So there are different ways of investing depending on what you are actually looking for, and that's why we are here showing you what we are doing regarding lifestyle and regarding real estate investment. Today I'm not gonna tour the apartment. Of course, you can see this is not a luxury villa that you are maybe used to watching my channel, but for us, for me, my family, it's an honor to have the opportunity to buy an apartment as investment and start investing and connecting with other investors in real estate. And we're going to do more videos to show the property, to explain what we are doing. We are preparing a full video with a good editing to show you how it was before and how it will be after the renovation that we are doing. So I hope that I could help you with good information for you if you are planning to move to Marbella, buy an apartment for yourself, or invest here. And then I see you at the next video. Thank you.